So the initial question this week was, what is worth teaching? And the first question that I asked is, should I focus more on state curriculum or what I think is important for my students to learn? The first response I got to this is to find a balance between students' needs and state requirements. Every person who responded to me at least somewhat said there does need to be both of these things, and I agree with that. And the second response I got was that state curriculum has standardized tests, and I need to help them pass those tests. So that's one reason to definitely focus on state curriculum, because there is those tests that I need to help my students pass, and also the state curriculum is things the state thinks is important for students to learn. So I definitely need to at least follow the guidelines for those somewhat. The third response I got was to teach students to think and learn for themselves. And I think this one kind of leans more towards what I think is important for my students to learn, because I definitely think it's important for my students to be learning how to think and learn and be accountable for their learning. The fourth response I got was to teach correct principles and critical thinking. And there's probably some state curriculum that helps implement these things, but I think that they are more leaning towards I need to make sure that these things are being taught to them, even if it's not stated in the state curriculum. The fifth response I got was to focus on the individual, not just the crowd. And they were saying that if by focusing on the crowd, if the state curriculum is making me focus on the crowd, then maybe it's okay to step back from it a little bit in order to help my students individually as well, since they all are different and will learn in different ways, and the state curriculum can't account for the differentiality of my students. I really like this last one. It's pray to know what to teach, so I can also look to God to find out which one I should focus on, or if there's certain lessons where I should focus more on what I think they should learn versus the state curriculum, and basically just pray throughout my teaching, just to have the Lord help me. The second question I asked was, how will I know what I am teaching is worthwhile? And the first response I got was, my evaluations will show that my students are understanding the material, if it's worthwhile. Because if they are not understanding it and they're not going to remember it for very long at all, then it's not very worthwhile to them if they are basically just memorizing stuff to pass a test and then it's gone. And sometimes that does happen. And in certain cases, it's still important to teach those things, but I do want my lessons to be worthwhile in the long run. Another response I got was, my students are growing and improving. So not necessarily showing that they completely understand the material yet, but they're growing, they're improving, they're beginning to do better than they were at the start. And another response I got was that I might not see these results right away, because a lot of them were similar to the two responses that I said before, but a lot of people were saying that I should not expect, sorry about the dog, I should not expect results to come right away. Because, growing and improving happens over time, so I can't expect them to just understand things right at the start. But I should still come to see them growing and improving if it is worthwhile to them. The third question I asked is, how can I help my students understand the importance of what they are learning? And the first response I got to this was student feedback. I basically asked them why they think learning is important, because I want to hear what they think already. Because I think everyone thinks that learning is important to some degree. So I want them to know what they are, I want to know what they already know, basically, about why learning is important, because I don't need to expand on areas they're already good with. The second response I like a lot is having a positive attitude while teaching, so my students will be more likely to engage. I think that's really important to have a positive attitude as well. I think that when my teachers are positive, I'm way more likely to be engaged in the class. And if students are engaged, they're more likely to come to see why information is important on their own, because disengaged students will, at least I know that when I'm disengaged, oftentimes I'll try to find more ways of why this information isn't important since I'm not interested in it. Like in math, a lot of times I don't like math as much, depending on the teacher. Not even depending on the teacher. The teacher definitely makes a difference, but math isn't as much my thing, so sometimes it's harder for me to see why it's important, and I'm quick to assume that it's not. And then the third response I got was to explain the importance of every lesson and how the information is used in the real world. And I think that this is really important because, like I said, like when I'm not engaged in a class, I'll find reasons why I won't need it. Like, oh, I won't use algebra in real life. I know that's not true now, but I thought that all throughout high school. So I think it's important to, at some point during a lesson, to explain where this information can be used and how it can be used in the real world, because that's a question that struggling students will often ask is, how is this used in the real world? What will I use it for once I'm done with this class? And also explaining what jobs the information is important to. Like, you can use this as a dentist. You can use this as a doctor. You can use this as a vet. I don't know, I did all doctoring and stuff. You can use it. Just basically what job it's important for. Like when in my most recent history class, they were explaining how history can be used in so many different ways, and that a lot of history majors actually end up going into business because they learn how to read well and analyze and all these other things that are important for business. Thank you guys.